going to Indonesia. So we're catching a flight to Sydney, and then we've got to go Sydney to Jakarta. We're going there for yeah, say hi. We are here in Jakarta. We are in, what's this hotel called? Pullman Hotel. So we just got to our hotel room in Pullman, Bandung.
Yes, I'm listening.
You have to be ready.
This is the toilet.
And then we're going to have a rehearsal. You have to be ready by 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Because we're doing photos.
Then our bathroom.
In your suit, formal suit. Remember Uncle Winston, no time.
Then this is our view. Look how pretty. This is day 2, and today is my brother's wedding, so I just finished preparing my makeup, my hair, and I did my mom's makeup as well. And then this is the day view. Look how pretty. And you can see little markets over there as well. I want to go there. It's not too hot here in Bandung. I thought it'd be like humid hot, but like I'm not sweating and I can't handle the heat well. So it's pretty good temperature here. But yeah, it is a bit muggy, like foggy. Not foggy, but like you can see the pollution. It's okay. But it's okay. But yeah. I'll show you guys the hotel room. It's a bit messy right now because we are getting ready for the wedding. But here it is. Here's mom and dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
executive lounge in Pullman Grand Central Hotel. Oh, I'm vlogging. But they've got they've got like a meeting room, little chill spot with a view. Oh, let me show you guys the view.
I think it's been here 2 nights now.
If you can see it.
You want to go on the truck?
No. Yes, look, a little Christmas tree. And they've got like a gingerbread house. I don't know if that's actual something you can eat. Okay, Mom. Come open these with me.
Huh?
So we've got 6 Pin for Love Labubus. Now we open them.
It's up to you. If you find some.
D or K? Or F? Yellow. I guess so. We are now in the hotel room. So we are staying at Voco Seminyak, Bali. I think it's. But this is beds. Very spacious. And then our bathroom. Then the view is of the pool. Very big pool. Now we are heading to the statue.
And see that statue.
This is Shishanaga. My megalophobia, is that what it's called? It's gonna trigger. These stairs. I wonder how big this is gonna be.